guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna be doing my Sephora VIB sale haul. It's the last day of the event, which is gonna be when you guys are seeing this video. So in this video I thought I would just show you guys everything that I picked up. Make sure you guys subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Send me a huge, I ordered everything through mail because if you guys know Ebates, or now it's Rakuten. So yeah, I shopped through there. So yeah, I was gonna show you guys, they sent me this huge box, which I guess it's not because I have that much stuff in there, but it's because there's like some bigger products. I'm just gonna take everything out so I can start showing you guys what's in here. Okay guys, so I ended up getting 4 brushes from the sale. I mentioned in my last video that I usually tend to pick up brushes during the sale because I really enjoy the Sephora Collection brushes, so that's exactly what I did. I got the Pro Stippling Concealer Brush in 52. So I'm gonna take it out of it. Usually they come packaged with this little plastic, but I don't know why they came like this now. But yeah, anyways, I got this brush. This is a concealer brush that I mentioned in my other video, which I was really interested in getting. Ugh, I put lipstick all over that. So this is a brush that I had mentioned in my last video, the one that was a concealer brush. So I did end up getting it. Oh wow, it's really flat. I didn't expect it to be this flat. But this is what the brush looks like. The concealer brush. It is really flat. I'm sure that with use it's going to get like more fluffy. Yeah, this is the Sephora Collection 52 brush. And I'm just going to open up these two so I can show you guys which brushes they are. So the next brush that I got was this Sephora 57 brush. It's kind of like... It looks also kind of like a thicker concealer brush, which I also really like. I can't wait to use this. I don't know why I got this other one then, I guess they can both use, I guess these both can just be used for concealer. I really like this one. I really like the thickness of it. This is definitely going to be a brush that I'm going to be using, and as well as this one. Excited about this. And then this brush I actually picked up. If you guys know Jessica Braun here on YouTube, she's one of my favorite YouTubers. So she recommended this brush as a bronzing brush, and it's really interesting. I really wanted to try it. I've been on the hunt for a good bronzing brush, so it's not really like tapered or anything. It's actually pretty wide, so I'm interested to see why she likes it so much. So this is a Sephora Pro Diffuser 64 brush. So this is again what it looks like. It's really round, has a really round shape, but it feels really nice. It feels really sturdy, so I think maybe for like cream contour it could be really nice. And then the last brush that I got that I was so excited, I mentioned in my last video that I didn't know if I was going to pick it up, but I ended up getting it and I'm so excited. It's the Makeup Forever 122 brush. So this is what it looks like. As you guys know, I got this because of a recommendation from Kathleen Lights. She's also one of my favorite YouTubers. So yeah, this brush I'm super excited to use. It's going to be like the perfect blush brush. I can't wait. Next thing that I picked up was this Anastasia Beverly Hills Melt Proof Brow Kit, and I got it in the shade medium brown. So this one, as I mentioned before, it comes with the pomade, the brush, and the brow gel, which I am really excited to use. I haven't tried any of them. The only thing that I really use is the Brow Wiz, so I have never tried any of the other two. And honestly, I think it's a really good deal for what it is, because even I think just this brush alone is like $18. So this is definitely a brush that I've been wanting to try as well. I can't wait to use this for my eyebrows and everything. And yeah, this brow gel as well, I can't wait to try it out. And this, honestly, I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I might just pass this on to a friend or something, because I don't really use pomade. I don't really like too much of a dark brow, but it's something I really won't be using. But anyways, this is what it looks like. As I mentioned, I got it in the shade medium brown, and then this is just a brow gel. So I can't wait to use this. I'm going to put on a little bit right now just to see. My favorite brow gel is the one from Milk Makeup. That's the one that I always use, the clear one. I know I mentioned it in my other video as well, but this is, I picked up the Nars Free Lover Cheek Palette. I'm so excited to use it. I haven't used it since I got it yet, but I can't wait to open this. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it looks so nice. This is so beautiful. Wow, look at this packaging. Wow, these brushes are so pretty. They look beautiful. Look at this. I cannot wait to try these. I'm gonna apply some more blush right now. I'm gonna take a few of them and just apply them. Yeah, those are so nice. I cannot wait to use this palette. This palette is so beautiful. I can't get over this packaging. It's intense. It's so nice. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. Okay guys, let's move on. The last two things that I picked up was this, the Smashbox Photo Finish Star Primer set. It looks like I'm so excited to use this. As I mentioned, I really want to try the Photo Finish Primer because I've never tried it before. Things, it comes with a Photo Finish Primer, the primer water, and then the actual primer. So yeah, these are the three things that come in there. I can't wait to try them. I love that they're all small sizes because it gives me a good way to try it and see if I do like it. And I love the whole theme that it has going on with the bright colors. I really like how that looks. But yeah, I can't wait to try this. I might even spray some of this right now. I'm just gonna let that dry now. Okay guys, I had to put my hair up because it is way too hot. Okay guys, so the last few things that I want to show you guys is I got the Sephora Favorites Lash Stash. I can't wait to try these. I mentioned in my other video as well that I got it because I really wanted to try the Pat McGrath mascara because I'm really interested in it. So this packaging is huge. This would be like a perfect gift for anybody who really enjoys mascara. It also brings eyelashes, which is really nice, and it brings all of these mascaras. So I think it's a really good present. It was, I think, it was $48, but if you guys get it during the sale that ends today, you guys can get a discount on it. Anyways, I really like it. I really enjoy mascara, so I think this is going to be perfect. And I love that they're all little mini sizes. That way you can kind of try out different mascaras and see if you like any of them. Guys, actually, I think it comes with two full sizes. It looks like this Benefit Roll-On and the It Superhero Mascara are actually two full sizes, which is actually really, really nice. Yeah, it includes two full-size mascara, which is the Benefit Roll-On, and then the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So if you guys like those mascaras, this is a great way to get them and also try out different ones. Yeah, if you guys want to check it out, I'll have everything that I talked about today in this video down below, so you guys can check it out as well. Yeah, I'm so excited to use this. The last thing that I got was this hair fragrance by Tocca. It's in the scent Giulietta. I've had this before, but I ended up giving it away to my grandma because she really, really liked this. But I got it again. Now that winter's coming, I like to put on dry shampoo, so I'm not washing my hair every day. And I really love to just spray this on because it really just makes your hair smell so good. So I really wanted to get it again. If you guys are familiar with this, it smells really good. And if not, whenever you guys go to Sephora, you should definitely smell it because it smells really, really good. So this is what the little bottle looks like. It's so cute. It's Giulietta again, so in case you guys want to check it out. They also have different scents. So yeah, that's pretty much all the things that I got, but I just quickly just want to show you guys what my mom picked up. So she ended up getting this Laura Mercier Smooth Finish Foundation Primer. She got it in the shade 4N1. So she was really interested in getting like a powder foundation because she doesn't wear actual foundation. So she was interested in just getting something that can just like even out her skin tone. So she ended up getting this. This is what it looks like. So the girl at Sephora really recommended this for like more like mature skin, especially if you don't want like something that's too cakey or too overpowering. And this is perfect for her because she doesn't really like dive into makeup as much. She's gonna enjoy this and try it out. But yeah, and the other thing that she like loves in Sephora is the Sephora Lipstain collection. She absolutely loves them. They're really long lasting on her. She just enjoys them. So she ended up picking up these two shades, which I'm not gonna open because they're hers. But she got it in the shade 84 and she got it in the shade 40. So yeah, she picked these out, so she knows what they look like. But and yeah, so she also ended up getting the Sephora cream lip stain collection. It came with 6 of them, and I think it was like $28, which is a really good price because each of them are priced at $14. So I think this is a really good another gift for somebody who really likes lip stains or just lipsticks in general. These are actually really, really good. I know my mom can vouch for them. She loves them so much and always is talking about them because they really do wear it all day and they're not uncomfortable at all. Like you can really just have them on and you can make sure that they're not going to move anywhere because okay guys, so that's pretty much it. That's everything that I picked up during the sale. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down below to my channel. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!